Cover inside the medium-sized bowl with plastic wrap. For the cake, I will use store-bought ready chocolate cake that has been cut in 2 layers. Of course, you can use your favorite cake recipe and bake it yourself. After I brush the cake with cherry jam and milk mixture, I will make a small cut as you see in the video and place it carefully to the bowl. To fill inside the cake, I have an ice cream in 3 different color and aroma. First, I will spread the strawberry ice cream and layer some frozen cherries that I have pitted and freeze when it is the season. Now the plain vanilla ice cream and frozen cherries again. You can use chocolate chips and whatever you like to put in. And last, I will put some chocolate ice cream to fill the bowl. Now I'm going to brush the second layer of the cake with the milk mixture and place it on top of the bowl. I cover the top of the cake with the sides hanging from the bowl and freeze it about at least 2-3 hours or until frozen. The good thing in this recipe is you can make the cake early and keep it in the freezer and it will be ready whenever you want. To help to separate the cake from the bowl, place the bottom of the bowl under the lukewarm water to melt a little. Or just gently pull it from the wraps. To decorate, I sifted some cocoa powder on top. This easy to make ice cream cake will be one of your favorite recipes. So give it a try and don't forget to leave a comment. See you next time. Bye.